Hello everyone, this is a voting app created by using Docker, Kubernetes, Python, HTML, CSS, and Postgres. We use Python in the backend, HTML and the CSS in the front end, and Postgres as the database. The goal of the project is to create and deploy a voting application and resolve the application using a Docker and the Kubernetes. The project involves building a Docker image, running a Docker container, and deploying application in the Kubernetes environment. It includes enhancements such as allowing multiple voting choices and displaying the pie chart. In this project, user can choose between football, soccer, racing, and cricket. This application collects user votes and stores the results for the processing. It is built using a popular framework like Flags in Python and designed to run in a Docker container. To run this project, we have three different folders named as worker, vote, and the result. Inside the vote folder, we can see the static folder that contains cricket, football, racing, and soccer, and style sheets for the CSS. It also includes the templates folder that contains the index, which is the mm, index, which is the front end for the voters to vote, and the other folder that is used is the result folder that contains index index index.html that displays the HTML file for the output or the pie chart. This is the code for the HTML, and it also contains app.js and app.js. It displays the result that is pie chart and the tabular output of the project. Now inside the worker folder, now inside the worker folder, inside the worker file, there is a program file that helps in the processing the file. Once one user can only vote for one time. If it is a new user, then a new user is created, and if it is the existing user, then only the vote is updated. This is the program file for that. Now in order to run the Docker, we need to go to the directory where there are where there are the files for the project. Uh, we go to from the files. Uh, In order to run the Docker, first we need to go to the directory where the file are present. After we get inside the directory, then compose of the Docker, then the Docker. Now the project is ready to work in the Docker. The boot apps runs in the local host. The boot app runs in the local host, that is 5002, and the result in the localhost 5003. Here in the booting app, since the football is already selected and one user cannot do multiple boot, but we can update the boot, so we can click cricket. Now the boot is updated in the result, that is the pie chart has been updated here. And for the Kubernetes, we can run the Kubernetes by going to the Kubernetes, by going to the directory first. uh, First go to the directory, enter, then start the Kubernetes. And create the Kubernetes. Since the Kubernetes has been already created, we need to delete it first and create it again. Now for the Kubernetes, the voting app is running in the local host 3100. Now we can vote for the cricket, and the result will be updated in the localhost 31001. We can, since we can only single user can update only vote for one time, we can vote from the incognito mode. We can vote from the here. Now it will be updated in the result. In this way, the Kubernetes works. Here, the blue indicates the soccer, green indicates the racing, red indicates the football, and yellow indicates the cricket.